This is SiteScan, the end-to-end enterprise-grade software system for aerial data collection and processing, built for your business from 3DR Enterprise. SiteScan supports all your reality capture needs and makes them exponentially easier and repeatable. Quickly and automatically collect and process crisp, high-res images, then populate them directly into your existing cloud systems for analysis at a fraction of the cost, time, and effort you're spending today, with no special training needed. Tap or circle the area or object of interest. The smart drone automatically plans and executes flights and precision image capture at the resolution you want. Use Scan for creating 3D models and BIMs. Survey for making high-res maps and DEMs. And Inspect for safe, real-time observation at any height. The drone even lands itself. No need to train or hire a specialist or manned aircraft. SiteScan fits into your workflow. The app automatically geotags images. Push them to the cloud and process with a touch. High-res maps and models populate into your preferred cloud systems. Manipulate, layer, and compare data weekly, daily, even hourly. Most importantly, keep your employees safe on the ground. The Solo Smart Drone makes it all easy. Push-button takeoff and land, a simple app, automated flight and reality capture, and built-in fail-safes like pause and return home. SiteScan. Aerial data when you need it, where you need it. From 3DR.
Life can't help but be structured, sometimes too much so. It gets to the point where you crave not necessarily the lack of structure, but more freedom. Freedom to be expressive, creative, to take things that people tell you that you can't do and bump it up to the top of the bucket list. We're always looking for ways to enable that.
The Phantom 3 Standard is a flying camera that matches your lifestyle. It's a fully integrated, user-friendly quadcopter and is ready to fly right out of the box. There are so many missed opportunities to capture once-in-a-lifetime experiences that you realize how limiting it is to have to always hold a traditional camera. Capturing photos and video with the Phantom 3 Standard brings a new dimension to experiences as you live them. And watching your footage play back feels just as real as that moment in time.
The included camera shoots up to 2.7K Ultra HD video at 30 frames per second and captures 12 megapixel still photos in JPEG or RAW format.
Simply connect your mobile device to the Phantom and turn your camera into a live bird's eye view from the sky. This real-time HD view runs on built-in Wi-Fi, enabling you to see everything. Take pictures and video instantly, and access a wealth of other features as you fly over half a mile away. The Phantom 3 Standard's motors have been upgraded to be even more efficient, giving you up to 25 minutes of flight time with each battery. Built-in GPS and state-of-the-art intelligent flight systems combine to give you peace of mind as you fly. With the Phantom's auto hover capabilities and return to home making every time you use it easy and safe.
We're also very excited to announce intelligent flight modes. Follow Me mode allows the Phantom to autonomously follow you wherever you go. Point of Interest tells your Phantom to do perfect circles around a set point while keeping your camera steady and pointed at the subject.
Waypoints is like having a computer-assisted co-pilot.
Set flight points on a map, including altitude and speed, and then hit go. The Phantom automatically flies for you as you control the camera to get that perfect shot. All of this means you can now easily execute dynamic aerial shots like a seasoned pro.
There are times in your life that you want to remember forever. Using the Phantom 3 standard makes those moments absolutely unforgettable. It's the future of photography and connecting yourself with the world.
Traveling is not about the destination. Embrace the journey. Preserve this moment. But with what? Handwriting? Cameras? Choose wisely. We are the directors of our lives. Seeking the most beautiful environments and spotting the perfect angle to experience your grandest adventures. All of this is possible with the Zeno. Smart and portable, no matter where you go, digitally capture your own motion pictures wherever you wish. It's your cameraman. Using image tracking, it follows and records at leisure. Capture the fondest of memories wherever you go. With a 3-axis gimbal for stable images, multi-angle aerial photography for recording, ability to record 4K videos, and attention to every detail, brings lively color and vivid images to your photography. Your gain is far more than what you can see. Equipped with f2.2 aperture and wide-angle lens, discover the fun in photography. Ultra HD 4K captures more than you can imagine. Focus distance is from 2.5 meters to infinity, making aerial lens comparable to filming quality. If you don't go out, you will never know how big the world is. Bring Zeno, 1,000-meter transmission distance with 23 minutes flight time. Get a wider view of the world. With a flying speed of 8 meters per second, flying does not stop here. What is the true meaning of the word convenience? Take off, land, and return at the touch of a button. Every location precisely calculated. The Zeno's stable hover and easy flight. Everything begins, proceeds, and ends in simplicity. The world is a big place, but not too much for the Zeno. Excellent panoramic features. Let aerial photography be full of joy. Line fly mode. The aircraft flies in a straight line at a specified angle, precise and elegant, like a meteor in the sky. Waypoint mode. Create missions and draw routes to your liking. The Zeno will fly exactly as you command, simply and efficiently. When we design the Zeno, we ask ourselves, why fly according to custom and trend? More ingenious design. Headless mode. You only need to specify a flight direction before taking off. Enjoy the aerial photography and experience the fun of flying. Break limits associated with traditional aerial photography, whether you are surfing, hiking, running, or going on a road trip. Bring Zeno and film your journey like it is a movie. We look to the skies and horizons, a new dimension and era right at your fingertips, places no longer out of reach. Zeno, reshaping aerial photography by redefining convenience and functionality. We fly with your dreams.
Meet Spark. Small, colorful, smart. A powerful flying camera that you can take anywhere. It's so clever, it activates by recognizing you. Just launch it from the palm of your hand. It even returns when you call it. And land like this. Easy. Can't get everyone in the shot? No problem. Watch as it hovers precisely in place, always at your command. Control it with your hands, remote controller, mobile device, or DJI goggles. Using GPS, Spark knows where it is, even if you don't. It'll even sense obstacles to avoid things in front of it and come home safely. Think you got smooth moves? Spark's footage is smoother. It takes the shake out of your shot, so you look like a pro. Not feeling the control sticks? Perform preset flight maneuvers with a single click and get those epic shots. Here's a way to stand out from the crowd. Spark automatically adds shallow depth of field to your photos. If you don't know how to fly, just tap fly. Let's see if you can handle sport mode. Spark keeps you in the frame, so all you need to do is act naturally. Edit your epic videos and share them instantly. Spark your aerial creativity anywhere. All you need to do is seize the moment.